Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. From the previous example, we created this summary one. This was our data and this is summary one. So let's just color this something different. And let's insert a worksheet, which is called summary 2. I will be going to give you a flavor of subtotals in here. This summary 2 is sales by country and sales person. Like Word or other applications or software, Excel don't show you the spelling mistake. So in that case, you can simply press F7 from your keyboard and it will pop up a spelling checker. And if there are any spelling mistakes, then it will show you. For example, this word is not in dictionary and this is suggested that is this sales or whatever it is. So it is sale. I'll just do a change and person, yes, and there we go. So just in case you're doing some typing and just like we did this thing here, and there is possibility of a mistake, then you simply press F7, press yes, and it says you're good to go because there is no spelling mistake in this tab. So we'll do a bold underline and we'll just go for this here. What we need is sales by country and salesperson. I'm trying to create a picture in my mind that we need a sales by person and country. Yeah, that's it. So let's copy these three columns, paste as values here. We don't need these. Select all of these, do a remove duplicates, Alt AM, remove duplicates. Press OK. We don't need numbers here. We only need these two columns. So remove duplicates and there we go. So these are all people in each country. If I only use remove duplicate here, there is a person in USA and in Canada, then it will also make a single entry for that person. But we want a single person per country. So if you have more than one columns, then you simply select both and do a remove duplicate and select both here like this. If you don't want country, then you can uncheck that. So this is done. What we need here is, let's do a filter. Control Shift L, open this. You can click here, or you can, while being here, your selection, press Alt down and you can do whatever you want. So we wanted to sort this A to Z, but this is the last sorting. First we want to sort this. You can also do this like this, sort, then sort. Now everything is sorted in this way, and then in each way the next column is also sorted in A to Z. That's why I did a sorting here and then here. I'm just moving here. If you remember why we are trying to do this, because we wanted to have every piece of person or the letters or the words in these two columns, because we wanted a summary of sales by country and person, just like we did in summary 1 in previous training. So I'll just have a blank column here. This is country, this is sales person, this is sales. I'll do a bold. I'll go for some coloring, maybe like this. Bold, this. Okay, we are trying to do a sum if. I always try to use sum ifs because it doesn't matter. If it is sum if, then some ifs can also be used in the same way. So sum ifs, sum range is total sales, and we want to lock this, so I'll press F4 here, remember from previous training, and then comma, then it is criteria range 1, which is salesperson lock, then comma, then go back. Criteria range 1 is this, I want to lock column B, although it doesn't matter in here because we won't be moving it to right or left, but still it is a good habit to lock the cells or rows or column, comma, then country lock, comma, and Brazil. This one is country lock A. This is, there we go. And now I'll drag this down, and you can see that we have a summary of people by country. Now you want a total like this. I mean, not like this, but at least some of each category and everything. What if you want a total of each of the country? And this is a small example. This is a very small data. You can insert a row here, do a sum of these and all that. But let's say it is a huge data and you want a sum. You can simply select all of this, go to data, subtotal. You want add change in country. You want sum for each change, and you want sum of sales column, and press OK. Now you see this created a grouping of the categories. Let's just select all of this, do a filter, freeze first row, go here. This row here, I want to make this a bit visible. Every row has a total word in there, so I'll search for total in text filter, press OK, enter. Now I have all total selected. I'll go this, but there are hidden rows in there in between the filtered items, so I'll go for alt semicolon, which selects the apparent or visible cells only. I'll do a color and a bold, and yeah, I'll clear the filter. Now it looks good. Whenever I press 2, it is closing the persons into company, so it is showing me total only. You remember we did this in previous video where we can simply close and open. We did that manually, but this one is automatically created by the subtotal button, and we can also click 1 and it will only show us the total overall. So if you want to make this hide these grid lines or not, depends on you. So this was, we did summary 2, in which we tried to do the subtotal, which automatically subtotals by each category. You can do this by more than one category, and you have to apply the subtotal twice, 2 times or 3 times maybe, and it also groups your rows based on those categories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.